Golden fields fall at sunrise as engines thunder and harvest giants rise to claim the land. These are not tools, they are forces of industry, redefining what machines are capable of. This is Mighty Machine. Imagine a machine that does not just harvest, but redefines the very architecture of the grain field. The TRIBINE is an articulated behemoth that combines the threshing capacity of a world-class harvester with a massive 1,000-bushel grain tank, eliminating the need for a grain cart to follow it through the dust. Powered by dual Cummins engines churning out over 650 horsepower, this massive titan can move through golden waves of wheat with terrifying efficiency. Its unique rear steering and articulated joint allow this 60,000-pound giant to turn with surprising agility, while its high-speed unloading system empties 20 tons of grain in less than 2 minutes. At a price point reaching towards $600,000, the TRIBINE stands as a solitary revolution in agricultural design. Dominance in the field is measured in tons per hour, and the new Holland CR10.90 is the undisputed king of the harvest. Holding a Guinness World Record for harvesting nearly 800 tons of wheat in just 8 hours, this machine is a force of nature driven by a FPT Industrial Cursor 16 engine, producing a staggering 700 horsepower. Its twin-rotor technology threshes with a gentle touch, while maintaining a relentless pace across the landscape. The massive 14,500-liter grain tank and a headers spanning up to 45 feet allow it to swallow entire fields in a single breath. Costing roughly $800,000, this flagship harvester uses advanced automation to adjust its settings in real time, ensuring that every grain is captured with surgical precision. Deep beneath the soil lies the harvest, and the AVR Puma 4.0 is the ultimate predator designed to bring it to the surface. This 4-row self-propelled potato harvester is a mechanical masterpiece featuring massive tires that exert minimal pressure on the delicate earth, while its 469 horsepower Volvo engine provides the muscle needed for the climb. The digging units and cleaning webs work in a synchronized ballet to separate tons of earth from the crop, ensuring only the finest potatoes reach the 8-ton bunker. Its high-tech cabin offers a panoramic view of the operation where sensors and cameras monitor every stage of the cleaning process. Valued at over $500,000, the Puma 4.0 is a specialized giant that turns the messy business of root harvesting into a clean, high-speed industrial operation. From the vast plains of Eastern Europe comes a machine built for endurance and raw power, the Rostselmash TORUM. This rotary harvester is designed to tackle the toughest, most uneven crops, using its unique rotating concave system that prevents clogging even in the most humid conditions. With a 600 horsepower engine under the hood, the TORUM processes grain with a relentless mechanical hunger that can cover hundreds of hectares without breaking a sweat. Its massive cab is a silent command center where the operator manages a grain tank that holds 12,000 liters of gold. Known for its rugged reliability and cost-effectiveness at around $350,000, the TORUM proves that extreme engineering can be both brutal and brilliant in the face of nature. The GRIMME EVO 290 is a titan of the earth designed to handle the heaviest yields with a level of care that defies its massive size. This 2-row bunker harvester features a unique 3-wheel chassis that provides incredible stability and soil protection, while its massive 9-ton bunker allows for long runs between unloads. The heart of the machine is a complex series of separators and webs that can be adjusted electronically to match the soil conditions of any field on the planet. Its VarioDrive system allows for infinitely variable speeds on the main webs, ensuring that the crop is never bruised during its journey from the dirt to the truck. At a price that can exceed $400,000, this German-engineered giant is the gold standard for growers who demand nothing less than perfection from the soil. In the demanding climates of Northern Europe, the Sampo-Rosenlew Comia C12 thrives, where others might falter. This is a machine built for the modern farmer who values precision and ease of maintenance above all else. Its double-cylinder threshing system is a marvel of efficiency, providing a clean sample even when the straw is green and the windows of opportunity are short. Driven by a 300-horsepower AGCO power engine, the C12 moves through the field with a quiet determination, while its 7,600-liter grain tank fills with rapid consistency. The Comia series is famous for being incredibly easy to clean out between crops, which is vital for seed growers. Priced around $250,000, this machine is a testament to the idea that power and agility can exist in perfect harmony. Redefining the limits of what a single machine can achieve, the John Deere X9110 is a harvest juggernaut that can process a staggering 30 acres of wheat every single hour. It features a wide-body dual separator design that provides a massive increase in threshing and cleaning area without expanding the overall width of the machine. Under the hood lies a 13.6-liter PowerTech engine that delivers over 600 horsepower while simultaneously reducing fuel consumption by 20%. This technological marvel uses integrated cameras and artificial intelligence to adjust its internal settings every few seconds to minimize grain loss. With a price tag that can easily soar past $900,000, the X9 is not just a harvester, it is a high-speed, data-driven factory on tracks. Beyond its sheer physical dominance, the NEXAT represents a fundamental departure from the history of soil compaction through its wide-span architecture, a design that restricts its massive footprint to permanent tracks and leaves 95% of the field entirely untouched by heavy machinery. This preservation of the soil's natural porosity is paired with a modular versatility that renders the concept of a single-purpose tractor obsolete. The central power carrier can seamlessly swap its harvesting guts for precision seeding or spraying modules, transforming from a combine into a planter in less than 10 minutes. As it glides across the horizon, its diesel-electric drivetrain hums with the potential for a hydrogen-powered future, while an integrated suite of 3D sensors and AI allows the machine to read the crop density in real time. As dawn breaks, the CLAAS LEXION 8900 awakens, its towering form bathed in amber light, a harvester that redefines what giants can do. Beneath its skin lies an engine producing north of 700 horsepower, feeding a cornucopia of technology that oversees threshing and separation with ruthless efficiency. Its spacious grain tank seems almost mythical in size, streaming bushels of harvest into awaiting transport like a river flowing to sea. Integrated sensors and adaptive settings make this machine not just powerful, but perceptive, reading the crop like a storyteller reads a room, making on-the-fly decisions that elevate production and performance alike. Every pass across the field is calculated, every adjustment precise, turning vast acres into a symphony of motion where steel, software, and soil work in perfect alignment. This is not merely harvesting, it is mastery at industrial scale. The Case IH Axial-Flow is a blur of purposeful motion, its cylindrical rotor spinning relentlessly as it tears through fields with the precision of a seasoned gladiator. Powered by a heart of iron that beckons hundreds of horsepower, the Axial-Flow separates grain with unmatched grace, feeding it upward into capacious bins, while straw and chaff are ushered aside like whispers in wind. Inside the cab, the operator is both pilot and poet, watching as yield monitors paint a tapestry of success across digital landscapes. The simplicity of its single rotor design hides a deep intelligence, reducing grain damage while maximizing throughput in even the toughest conditions. In a world where performance is king, this machine holds court with confidence, delivering consistency harvest after harvest, season after season. The DEUTZ-FAHR C93000 series strides across fields like a titan awakened, its green and black armor gleaming under the sun. Engines tuned to deliver robust power push this combine through crops with unwavering resolve, while advanced threshing and cleaning systems ensure that every grain is captured and counted. The high-capacity tank and rapid unload auger keep trucks rolling and work flowing, minimizing downtime when every minute matters. Inside the cab, ergonomics and visibility blend into an environment built for long days and demanding harvests. In every gear shift and every revolution of its vast threshing drum, you sense a blend of tradition and innovation, a machine built to honor the past while harvesting the future with uncompromising precision. In fields of emerald heads, the ASA-LIFT TC1010E moves with the focus of a seasoned forager, its specialized picking heads delicately cradling cabbage as they are lifted from the earth. Electric drives and intelligent controls coordinate lifts, conveyors, and sorters with balletic precision, ensuring each head retains its integrity from soil to storage. This isn't brute power for power's sake, but finely tuned capability, turning back-breaking work into seamless advancement through row after row. Operators oversee a process where damage is minimized and efficiency reigns supreme, even in uneven terrain. Observing the TC1010E at work, you glimpse a machine that elevates agriculture into a dance of technology and touch, where specialization becomes strength. From the smallest fields to the broadest plains, the MF Combine's range roars to life under the rising sun. A family of harvesters built on heritage and honed by innovation. Engines across the range unleash dependable power, driving threshing and cleaning systems that adapt fluidly to crop type and changing field conditions. Spacious grain tanks and efficient unload systems keep the momentum alive, reducing idle time and sustaining productivity across long days. The cabs are designed as command centers, blending comfort, clarity, and control into every hour behind the wheel. Each machine in this lineage carries the DNA of performance, resilience, and versatility, turning every harvest into a testament of human and mechanical partnership forged over generations. The Fendt IDEAL doesn't merely enter a field, it arrives with presence, its silhouette a declaration of purpose against the horizon. Beneath its aerodynamic hood thunders an engine designed to deliver seamless power, syncing flawlessly with IDEAL's innovative threshing system to extract grain with minimal loss and maximal speed. Precision steering and smart harvesting technology sculpt a path of efficiency that transforms acres into measured yield with astonishing consistency. Inside the cab, silence, space, and intelligence surround the operator, creating an environment where focus and control reign supreme. This machine stands at the intersection of size and intelligence, where horsepower meets heart, and every harvest becomes a chapter in a greater story of modern agriculture. The Gleaner T-Series rolls forward with determined grace, its longitudinal rotor humming like a finely tuned engine of discovery as it combs through crops. Built for balance and stability, the T-Series uses its innovative design to reduce grain damage and elevate throughput, powered by an engine that harmonizes strength with efficiency. The grain tank swells with the day's labors, while the unloading auger swings with effortless precision. From golden harvests to earth-shaking power, these machines prove that progress is built on steel, precision, and relentless engineering. If raw power and extreme machinery fuel your passion, stay with Mighty Machine, where giants never rest and the impossible is always put to work.